you get dueling toilets here. Dueling toilets is what I'm going to call this. So the Kohler thing says put the wax ring on the toilet, and that's preferable. And you know, and like I told you, you got your two different things. You want to use those because they're longer and you can snap them off easier. And these are very important right here. And this is the wax ring that came with the Kohler, and this is the one we got because it's better. Now, I don't have them anymore because I threw them away. The instructions for, well, I guess I could open this one. The instructions in this say put the ring on the floor before you set the toilets. Now, I'm more of an advocate of that because you go ahead and put your pins in, and here, and then you put your ring down, and then the pins will guide you. And then, but the most important thing to remember is don't rock a toilet to set it. You have to sort of go around a little bit. Now you're gonna have to get my knife, and here we got a cut where you come on in here. I feel okay in here now. I mean, I feel very secure.
Yeah, much better. Me too.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna have to cut this duct tape off or pull it. You can't pull it off because it's set in now. So anyway, you don't need to see me cutting that off. Come on. So it's very important to use these plastic little spacers and pull them very tight, and make sure these are as perpendicular as you can get them. I know it's not a pretty sight, but it's a toilet. And get that ready. Now, where's the wax ring? And then you go ahead and pull this out. Throw it over there.
Which wax ring?
I want the one to the left. Okay. So you pull it. You pull this off.
Yeah, that doesn't really look like it's made to stay on there, does it?
No, the outer cover. Just trust me on this thing. You can see it coming off. Now the reinforced kind are better, and you can get double goo. You can get like double Oreos. It's kind of the same principle. Well, kind of bad to think about Oreos at a time like this, but so. All right, so you end up with this, and then you just go ahead, and it'll sink in there like that. Now that looks pretty even to me. Now, do you want me to set the toilet, or do you want to set the toilet? Now you got a helicopter this baby, don't you? That stuff really gets all over you. These are made on Independence Boulevard in Charlotte forever. Okay, whoa, hang on. Let me get the again. I have a clear path, and now you just gotta hover like a helicopter very carefully. Now let me. Okay, and then just eyeball it and get it as straight as you possibly can. Okay, now you go back and forth. Don't put too much stress on those bolts. I don't think are you pretty lined up? Yeah, that looks okay. I mean, that
looks to me like the toilet needs to go. That looks pretty good right there.
Now, just with your body weight and a little twisting, you want to put it to the floor. Now, what I'm also going to recommend that we do, and you don't have to do this immediately, is does it feel seated to the floor? Don't go.
I think so.
Okay, and you think
my question is though, is it? I think it almost looks like it's.
Yeah, you're skewed. You got to go this way. Yeah, you got to go anti-clockwise, just a touch. Yeah, I can see the studs were off. That's much better.
That look good?
Yeah. Now before you put the floor down, get some clear or white 100% silicone and seal around all the way around this thing. And don't get latex caulk, get silicone caulk. And then there you go. And the other trick is when you tighten these things down, those studs down, nice and easy does it. So if somebody complains that it's rocking, come in here and give it a little bit more. You know, it can take a little while for these to, say it with me, seat. A double entendre there. Okay. All right.
So is it time to put the washers and the nuts on?
Washers and nuts, and then let me have one of the nuts. Well, I'll just get you an adjustable wrench. Okay.
There you go.
Okay, I forgot something. You got to put those underneath there. And these things will say this side up.
Just take the nuts off?
Yeah. This will say this side up. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
What, is it spinning? What happened?
I got my nut. My nut wanted to balk and it wanted to spin, but I got it now.
Okay. Take the other way around, the caps won't snap on it. It's got to go that side up. It don't got to. I mean, you can do it, but the caps won't right on it. Right? So I'm putting the washer on. This is a very fluid. Once again, a little joke there. Situation. You just wanna hold it down gently.
Couple of turns.
Now let me get them pliers. Now here you hope you don't crack the base, but you try not to. So once you figure out where this is, you let the man who owns one, yeah. You make sure it's not spinning entirely. Okay, yeah, it's locked in pretty good there. It's nice and easy. Okay, that's stop. Let's see what that. Yeah. Now let somebody complain, okay? Now what you want to do now is grab these pliers and you snap them off right there.
Just snap them off?
Just, yeah, that'll snap off now right there. The lowest one you can, and then you kind of hope and just kind of work it back and forth gently until it gives. Is it giving?
A little. Feels like the whole thing wants to kind of move and rock, but
yeah.
Let's
You want to not do that?
I got another idea on that.
Okay. Oh, you got some covers. Okay. Pop right into my camera lens and bust mine. Yeah, oh, there you go. Man with hand strength there. Okay. See, that's all that is. So you're still got the capability of tightening, of course. Okay. And now just pop your caps on, and they come off here. Here, I'll take that and get rid of it for you. Just pop your. Oh, you're going to tighten it a little bit more. Now you might tighten it 2 or 3 times. So don't be afraid of it.
I just want to feel a little. I kind of put my weight on it
and seated it some more.
A little more of a
yeah
snuggy situation.
Okay.
All right, that thing's spinning now.
Okay. Yeah, I don't love this that flange at all. I haven't loved it. I'm glad I don't have to look at it again, I hope. And he's doing exactly what you should do. He's holding it with pliers and getting it tight. Okay? If you feel good with that,
yeah.
Okay, pop the caps on. So the reason the caps may not pop on is because it might be just a little tight. Well,
that thing's a little too tall.
Okay, that it. Okay, we'll just put them there, and if anybody messes with them, then fine. You can just put them there. Nobody's gonna know unless they're vacuuming. All right, the rest of it's history. You put the tank on, you hook it up, and put the seat on, you're done. That's it. Okay, we've got the toilet seat on, and looking pretty good there. And then
I see a problem though.
What?
this toilet is higher, and so this hose is too short.
Okay, good call. Okay, well here, go ahead and finish this anyway. There you go. You can do the crowning achievement here. You can put the crown on the throne. Ta-da! All right, smooth. There you go.
I still think it's rocky though.
You'll do that a couple of times. Okay. Okay. Well, let's take that hose off, and when we go to Lowe's, we'll get a longer one.
Definitely.
It should just be a finger device. Is that true? It's not a wrench, is it?
It's a finger device up here, but down here it might be a little
Okay. Well.
channel locks or something.
Okay, channel locks or something. Okay. So we got the 20-inch hose just now, and she's filling up. No leaks anywhere, I don't guess. Okay, let's look what
Soft touch.
Oh yeah, baby. Okay, here we go, ready.
Wow, quick flush.
Yeah. Well, got a little bit of first couple of times, got to get the flavor. Okay, so we're gonna do another one. So now we got a toilet, so we can go take the other toilet out, and that's just gonna be a flipping mess. And we've already had one mess, so we're gonna just do what we can here. Do something else.